Got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. Fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. This unit's in decent shape. It's black in color. Doesn't have a whole lot of damage on it. Top looks good. The back corners look good. The top and the top edge look really nice. Does have a little bit of yellow paint on here that would probably buff out. Not really sure what it's from, but and then there has some scuff marks along this bottom edge. A little bit of scuff mark there, a bit of scratch there. Really not bad shape for what it is. It does have the half side sliders on the side. Front is a picture window. Has some scratches in the front. Top edge. Honestly, looks like it's probably stored on its top or on its nose. It usually happens when somebody sets it on the front edge in the garage or in a barn or something like that to get them out of the way. Yeah, scuffs and scratches right there as well. And that scratch it up. Other than those, basically each corner, it's not too bad. There's a little bit of scratches all the way along this edge here, but most of that's not going to see. It's going to be behind the cab. Top has some scuffs and scratches. Right there's a couple little scratches right there. A little bit of scuffs on the top. There's a couple scuffs right there. A little, I don't know, something that in this paint. Oh, looks like it was actually somebody touched it up at one point in time. And yeah, a little bit of scuff there, but really not in horribly bad shape. Do what you're doing with the buffer, you probably make this thing look like 110% better. Half side sliders on the side. Has the double T-handle locking rear door. The inside is bare fiberglass. Screens are in decent shape. Have a couple small holes right there's one. A little cut there. Small hole down there. Hole down there. So just a couple minor holes in the screens. Your window in the front. On this side, I'm not seeing any holes on this side. Small little snag on the screen there, but really not too bad. Serial number Chevy short bed 99 plus, which means 99 to 06 GM truck. There it is, cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. It's a 99 to 06 Chevy and GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot short bed, black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it's at, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. All that can be done through there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cab repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, things like that, those are also available online for purchase. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations when you purchase them. Thanks for watching.